Okay, welcome back to silk painting. I just wanted to do a quick video for you to explain the silk that you'll receive in your DIY painting kit. This is the little square piece of sample silk that you receive. Beautiful quality, 100% pure silk. And this is for sampling your paint colours. These are the silk scarves that you'll receive. These are also 100% pure silk and beautifully hand stitched with a rolled edge along the edge of them. The silk is the finest quality silk that you will ever receive. It's beautiful and hand stitched. So when you're painting out to the edges, make sure you get a little bit of paint all the way out to the edges and that it soaks in beautifully. See that? It's just glorious. It's a lovely fabric to wear and you will love it. It's just beautiful. And once you've painted it, it's a work of art as well.